God. It was a well-to-do family. One of the sons demanded a share from his father and get away. His wonder is money and pleasure, with lots of friends round him. He never cared for his family. His father was so sad. But the father is looking for his son to come back home. Come home, son. Come home, he's calling you. He's always waiting for his son to come back home. To come back home. As the days goes by, he spent up all that he got. He started to beg from people around, but there is none to call out a friend whom he has treated well before. He thundered and shouted to the people, but nobody listened to him now. So anger is filling his heart, but he could do nothing. But the father is looking for his son to come back home. Come home, son. Come home, he's calling you. He's always waiting for his son to come back home. To come back home. But the father is looking